Hey guys, so I'm in this game and it seems like I am I think this is an obby, right? What is going on? Can anybody tell me what's going on? Oh, okay, I died for some reason. To do what? Okay, hopefully he doesn't shoot me. I am now really confused. I never played this game before. Okay, is it safe here? I think nobody can shoot you or do anything to you is the best place. Okay, that guy is super weird. There's this rubber ducky here. What is going on? I got a badge here. You guys can see if I move my thing. Nah, you guys can't see it because it's already frozen. Okay, I am now. What's going on? I'm probably gonna get low. Okay, is anybody gonna kill me here? What? I'm so scared right now. Is this guy gonna kill me? I know. I like your look. Whose look? His own look? Or my look? I mean, thanks if you like my look. Okay. No. I'm now like super afraid of these. Oh, go. The heck? Okay. Did you just see those red lasers? Oh no. By me? Oh, come on. What's going on? Oh. I think it's clear outside. Okay, I want it. Not actually what I thought. I gotta find this shit. Help. I just got shot at by something. Help. Guys, let's do team. Yes. Okay. Oh god, I'm so scared right now. Okay. Where are you going? I'm gonna need a phone. This place is awesome, you think so? Wait, does this guy have a crush on me? Okay, I died. Thanks for... What's happening? Gotta find my new friend. Where's my new friend? Sorry, guy. Okay, my new friend's over there, I think he died too, believe so. Does this guy have a crush on me? Oh, no. No. What's happening? Oh, help. I died again. No. What's happening to me? Nah, I don't have any Robux. I don't have any Robux, I told you. Those white stripes are the scariest. He's probably like, where's my new friend? This is taking so slow to walk to somewhere. Hey, hey. Hey, you. Hey, you. Says he's a pro. Yes, why are you talking about this? And then you're awesome too. I do this all day. Why do you repeat this? He said he was a pro. Yes, I know you like my look. And then he has like those dots again. Wait, is he a YouTuber too? What in the world is he? What the heck is he doing to me? I'm now super confused. Why is he jumping around? There's something inside. You know what? I'm gonna. What? Why is he saying bye? Okay. Beep boop. Yes, he said all this. He said this all the time. I know you're a pro. Okay. He's now super weird. And I am now super confused. Let's do it. Let's do it. Oh no. Wait, I didn't die, did I? I think I died. Okay. Okay, I didn't die. Gotta go as far as possible. Okay guys, this concludes me in this place. Maybe dying. Okay, this concludes me, Katie fans, over here and just wandering around playing this game. I have no clue what it's called, but you guys can find me somewhere over here, and including that weird little friend. So, but anyways, just see you guys later. Bye.